Hey, so thanks for watching and going through the mini course. At this point, we're in this section where we're talking about remote facilitation. And so I thought I'd bring in the big guns. We have Hailey Temple from Mural. And Hailey, the couple things that I hear all the time during the workshops that I do are how do you keep people engaged? And then the other thing, how do you keep the connection between the team members?
Yeah.
And Haley's been kind enough to create a mural for us.
Yeah. Thanks for having me. This is I made it very dark and moody, but my big whiteboard for thinking about these two questions. So here we go. First one, let's dive in. Engagement.
Hopefully now we've given you a little bit to think about in terms of keeping engagement up in your remote workshops. And what is next, Miss Haley?
Next, we talk about connection. This has been a very common question I've had as well, and I imagine you have too, where it's building connection with people in a short span of time. So
the two big topics that we talked about today were driving engagement and keeping engagement up during our remote sessions. The other was driving connection. If you're watching the mini course and following along, I hope it's helpful. It's not so scary. You just have to try it. You have to allow people to show up and rumble through some of these things. And thanks, Haley.
yeah, thanks for having me.